Welcome to the introduction for SED 391, Current Laws and Initiatives. In SED 391, as in your other courses, there are three major components that comprise your grade. The first component is your essential application, which is the IEP project, and that is worth 40% of your grade. The next 30% of your grade are quizzes, and the last 30% are module activities. The IEP project, you will be given a case study learner and a class schedule for that learner. This project is divided into two different portions. There's an individual portion that you will complete on your own, which is worth 40 points with the case study that you are given and the class schedule. And then once you've submitted your individual portion, you will be grouped together with classmates from class, and you will work on the group portion together that you will submit that is worth 20 points. The next piece of your SED 391 grade are quizzes. There will be 5 modules that will have different either articles or YouTube videos or chapters that you will be reading, and then you will take a quiz on that module. There will be 5 altogether, and they are each worth 10 points for a total of 50 points. This is worth 30% of your grade. If you do have SAS accommodations, please be sure to get them to me so that I can extend your time on the quizzes if that is something that you are eligible for. The last piece of the key assignments in SED 391 are module activities. Almost every module, we will have some sort of activity that you will work on, mostly collaboratively with groups, with your tables that you sit at, that pertain to something that we've covered in module that day, something that we are learning in terms of an essential application or instructional planning, or something with maybe a guest speaker for the day. These are typically worth about 5 points and will mostly be completed in class with the exception of a few. Thank you so much for your time and attention to SED 391's introduction. Please let me know if you have any questions.